How to change your mobile hotspot name. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your hotspot name. Now as you know, the hotspot of your device name is your device name by default. So how you can change it? First thing, you'll have to head into settings. Now there is a shorter way to it as well. You can simply scroll down notification panel, and there you want to search for the mobile hotspot tab. As you can see here, the icon mobile hotspot. If I tap and hold on it, it'll take me to the settings directly. However, if you don't get this on your notification panel, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and head into settings on your device. Once on settings, you'll be able to see connections and such. You want to simply head into connections here, and you can see their option that says mobile hotspot and tethering. You want to simply tap on it, and you can see mobile hotspot option. You want to tap on it, and here now you can see network name option. If I tap on it, I'll be able to change it. You can simply change it and simply tap on save, and it'll be saved. So this way you can change your hotspot name. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.